And I want to echo what one of you said. Members of this House and leaders from the counties and constituencies in the North Rift, Elgeyo Marakwet, West Pokot, Baringo, Laikipia, Samburu, Turkana, and others. Please sit and talk peace. If we did not have peace challenges in those regions, the general would not have gone there to help construct special schools under special circumstances. Get together, talk peace, embrace peace. You are the leaders. The people who are fighting and raiding and killing each other are the people you lead. Those young people wielding Kalashnikovs and G3s are our boys. Get down there and talk to them. Take them to school, reform them, give them alternative activities other than wrestling and killing each other. We will still be having General Ogolla, we will still be having the 9 other officers. The leadership must start from this house. If you want to amend the law to give an opportunity for you to spend part of your CDF on security issues, so be it, so that you can change the situation. Let's go back to the normal order.